Hey guys, welcome back. This is me, Unnati Malik, and today I'm gonna share a few DIY tricks with you guys. So recently I got the Yang Yang oil from Wow Skin Science because Wow Skin Science has launched with a lot of new essential oils. So I thought I'll review them for you guys. So the Yang Yang essential oil that I recently got is 100% pure essential oil, and this is what it looks like. It comes in a very cute packaging with this floral design, as you can see. And let me quickly show you what all benefits Yang Yang essential oil has. So guys, this is what the Yang Yang essential oil looks like, and I will be telling you the benefits in a bit. So it comes with a dropper as well, which is super cute, and I am in complete love with this mini bottle. So you can actually create a lot of things, and before telling you that, let me also tell you that this oil should be tested on your palm before you apply it on your face, and never apply any essential oil directly to your face because it's gonna cause you much more damage than it's going to make your skin or hair look beautiful. So let me quickly come to the properties of this oil. So talking about the very first thing, now this Yang Yang essential oil is very calming for a nervous system. So if you probably put it in a diffuser somewhere around yourself, this is actually going to make your nervous system very calm, and it's actually going to help you to maintain that balance in your mind. Now let me also tell you that Yang Yang essential oil is a key factor for all your stress. Now you can actually, relieve all your stress by putting a few drops of this essential oil over your pillow before sleeping at night, and I promise you guys that it is gonna give you an amazing sleep because it's just gonna, put all the stress out of your mind, and it's going to make you calm and you can sleep very amazingly. But don't forget to put your alarm, because if you don't wake up in the morning and you're late for your job or college, then you don't have to blame me. Okay, Yang Yang essential oil has anti-inflammatory properties. So for example, you have any skin irritations over your skin, you can actually use it with any carrier oil, probably coconut oil, and then you can apply it over. So do not apply it directly because it may cause some damage as well. So I would actually recommend you to mix something and then apply it over your skin. It is actually gonna make that irritation calm. So probably you have any redness or any kind of such irritation, you can actually go on and use this oil. Now there is one more thing. This oil is specifically very beneficial for all the dry and damaged skin and hair types. So if you have a lot of dandruff, or you can say if you even have very dry skin, then if you use this Yang Yang essential oil probably as a toner or probably in your moisturizer, it is going to help you moisturize your skin. And even if you apply it and mix it in your conditioner, then it's actually going to condition your hair in a very beautiful manner. So you can actually use this, and this is what actually are the different benefits of Yang Yang essential oil that can be used in your lifestyle. So guys, now let me tell you how can you make these 3 DIY tricks that I actually did. So the first thing is you can actually use the Yang Yang essential oil over your palm as a perfume. Well, yes, it has a very sweet and floral fragrance. And if you guys like something like that, then this can be actually used as a daily perfume, which is gonna stay for a very long period of time. All you need to do is put some on your wrist, and that's it. It's gonna stay for a long period of time and you're gonna smell amazing. So that's gonna be a DIY perfume. Since I told you that Yang Yang essential oil is very amazing for skin, so this essential oil is specifically very nourishing, and what you can do is you can take any of your moisturizer which is free from any parabens and silicons, and then you can add 4 to 5 drops of this essential oil. Once you do that, just mix it up so that it is dissolved all very nicely, and you can apply it on your face, on your neck, and it's gonna give you a lot of moisturization, and it's also gonna give you even tone on your skin. Now the third DIY is one of my favorites. Well, yes, I love diffusers and I love the fragrance, but since I got the Yang Yang essential oil, I actually thought to make my own sweet fragrance that actually helps to calm my mood. Now this is specifically very nice for my nervous system, as well as it gives me a very calming effect, and it takes down all the stress and tensions that I have. So all you need to do is take a diffuser and put some water above, and then put 2 to 3 drops of Yang Yang essential oil. And let me tell you, this thing is actually going to give a very nice fragrance in your room, and the diffuser is going to actually help you, calm your senses, and it's going to be a very nice DIY tutorial. So don't forget to do this step because it is one of my favorites and I'm sure you'll love it. So guys, what are you waiting for? अगर आपको ये DIY टेक्निक्स पसंद आई हैं तो जाइए, मैंने लिंक्स छोड़ दिए हैं डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में, अपना प्रोडक्ट लीजिए एंड बाद में आप जितने भी DIY वीडियोस बनाएंगे उसमें मुझे टैग ज़रूर कीजिएगा. मेरा इंस्टाग्राम यूज़र नेम ये है. एंड ऑल्सो इस प्रोडक्ट की MRP 499 रुपीज़ है एंड इसकी क्वान्टिटी है 15 ml. So guys, do buy this product and yeah, bye bye.